I have a quick Adobe InDesign tip for you that involves wrapping text around a graphic using the pencil tool. So I'm going to place my graphic. Command D is the key command. And put it in this corner. And size it. Shift Command Option C fits the graphic to the text box, and Option Command C sizes the box around the graphic. Then I take my pencil tool and I just want to wrap around this portion. Using the pencil tool offers a little bit more design latitude when wrapping, I find, and it's very quick and easy. Adjust the side that it wraps. Then I need to make a little bit of adjustment to my type. Then I can even place it again. Check it's about 67%, so I'm just going to put the B back in there too because there's room. Turn off wrap. And that's it. How to simply wrap text around an object using the pencil tool. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.